Finance for HR Professional and Compensation Management MCQs Part 2. When the employee dashed after a stimulated age, he is provided with the benefit such as pension plans, provident fund, etc. by the organization. Option A joins, option B stays, option C retires, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option C retires. The dash are usually located in hill station and other most wanted holiday spot. Option A leave policy, option B insurance, option C holiday homes, option D overtime. Correct answer is option C holiday homes. Travel allowances and leaves are usually done to make the employee option A stress-free, option B stressful, option C nervous, option D anxious. Correct answer is option A stress-free. Dash factors, even though remaining outside the reach of organization, influence the compensation. Option A integral, option B internal, option C external, option D essential. The correct answer is option C external. In order to prevent the employees need to have unions in the organization, some non-unionized organizations pay dash wages to their employees. Option A low, option B high, option C poor, option D neutral. The correct answer is option B high. The organization located in the rural areas may pay dash due to low cost of living. Option A high, option B less, option C more, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B less. Low wage cost may be beneficial to the firm in the dash period. Option A short, option B long, option C large, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A short. The dash policies are updated from time to time on the basis of environmental development of an organization. Option A IT, option B finance, option C marketing, option D HR. Correct answer is option D HR. Job-based compensation structure is old and dash. Option A updated, option B outdated, option C latest, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B outdated. Employee job evaluation determines dash performance. Option A employers, option B entrepreneurs, option C employee, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option C employee. Dash is the most important of these outcomes but non-monetary reward. Option A wages, option B compensation, option C pay, option D salary. Correct answer is option C pay. Dash model to pay equity, the employees exchange the contributions such as skills, efforts and time for a set of outcomes. Option A balancing equity, option B labor market model, option C distribution justice model, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C distribution justice model. The supply of labor equals the demand for labor in the dash. Option A marketplace, option B exposition, option C mart, option D exchange. Correct answer is option A marketplace. The basic aim of this model is that the external equity will be achieved when the firm pays its employees the dash. Option A outlay, option B bill, option C going rate, option D charge. Correct answer is option C going rate. The pay that employee offer depend on factors other than number of people available with dash for the job. Option A communication, option B creative and innovative, Option C, organize and detail focus. Option D, skills and abilities. Correct answer is option D, skills and abilities. Emphasizing dash is more appropriate for new small firm in a rapidly changing market. Option A, internal activity. Option B, external equity. Option C, internal and external equity. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, external equity. An increasing number of firms have adopted too large dash to new employees. Option A, sign-on bonus. Option B, retention bonuses. Option C, going rate. Option D, salary. Correct answer is option A, sign-on bonus. Companies facing and certain financial future giving a large amount of dash on the key employees. Option A, sign-on bonus. Option B, retention bonuses. Option C, package. Option C, compensation. The correct answer is option B, retention bonuses. Dash includes money that is provided in short term. Option A, payment for non-working days. Option B, income equivalent payment. Option C, family income. Option D, payment for work and performance. Correct answer is option D, payment for work and performance. Employees were unable to work for health related is provided with dash. Option A, disability plan. Option D, mediclaim. Option C, unfitness. Option D, compensation. Correct answer is option A, disability plan. Dash plans makes the plans more convenient to the employees. Option A, deferred income. Option B, disability income. Option C, spouse income. Option D, income equivalent payment. The correct answer is option A, deferred income. Dash payment to an employee in return for his contribution. Option A, wages. Option D, salary. Option C, remuneration. Option D, compensation. Correct answer is option D, compensation. The dash is a common in private and public sector on the basis of attribute and challenges for the position. Option A, pay to the person. Option B, pay for performance. Option C, pay for position. Option D, pay for the participation. The correct answer is option A, pay to the person. Dash talks about compensation for those personal and professional attributes essential for effective performance and other element. Option A, pay for the position. Option B, pay to the person. Option C, pay for performance. Option D, pay for the participation. The correct answer is option B, pay to the person. Dash is based on physiology of rewards management. Option A, pay for position. Option B, pay to the person. Option C, pay for performance. Option D, pay for participation. Correct answer is option C, pay for performance. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.